Så, stör en ingenjör eller fråga en forskare. Idag är det fredag, solen skiner och vi är på Chalmers. Kan det bli bättre?
We're going to talk about the DecarbonAIte project. Alexander Hollberg, Chalmers, and Bernd Ketzler, Chalmers Industriteknik. So Alexander, tell us about the project. What was the main goal and ambitions?
The main goal was to explore how we can use machine learning and artificial intelligence to support renovation planning on a large scale. And this was done in two parts. So we looked at how we can use machine learning to support collecting the data we need to run simulations, and how we can automate the process of finding the optimal renovation solution for existing buildings.
And Bernd, what were the results and the main challenges we found?
So in terms of results, I would mention two major results. The first one is the automated workflow from geometries to different databases to material catalogs to then the simulation results, and that's a robust workflow now that we can apply to different use cases beyond renovation optimization. The second result is around deep learning, adding more details to the geometries of buildings really allows us also to explore new use cases.
And what do you see, Alexander, as results?
Yeah, where I think one main result, as Bernd said, is the workflow, but also from the research perspective, the method behind it, that's the foundation. And for example, some challenges arise in identifying the windows from Google Street View, which took longer than I expected, but we managed this at the end, and this then can serve also other kinds of simulations.
Yeah. And then what are the logic next steps for you?
So one thing we found out in this project, if we automate the workflow to generate the data and the running of the simulation, the actual time to run the simulation becomes most critical. So in the next steps, we want to look also how we can use machine learning there to remove this time-consuming energy simulation and replace it with machine learning approaches.
Very interesting. And where can we learn more about the project and what you have done?
So dissemination is of course a big part of the project as well. We've published scientific papers, we're doing the video series here right now. We're going to publish everything in a package and a report at our websites at Chalmers Industriteknik, but also at Intervju, and there you will find everything that you need to know about the project.
And finally, we also have the webinar coming up April 2nd, where we'll pull out all the essentials. And please join us there. And with that, thank you.
Thank you, Peter.